Hello, it is Wednesday afternoon. I'm on my lunch break and I realized one of my favorite things to do that sometimes causes unnecessary stress is scurry to run some errands on my lunch break. I think in my last vlog I went to Aritzia to go clothes shopping, and now I'm going to one of my favorite stores in downtown Larkspur called Botanica Life. They have such cute gifts and plants and cards, and I need a couple cards for some of my boyfriend's family members, but also two of my friends who might be watching this vlog. By the time I give it to them, they'll have already seen it. And it's been a really good morning. Honestly, it's been my favorite morning all week. I had my coffee. I've really been into Kodiak pancakes because my friend Lucy, she recommended them. I really like how, unlike other pancakes, they have a lot of protein in them. But one of my friends was like, I think they taste like cardboard. And I'm like, that would be true if I didn't put in blueberries and chocolate chips. It makes them so much better. So I had some yesterday and then I had some more today, and I'm like, I'm in a kick. So that was a really nice way to start my day. And then I did a little 20-minute MadFit workout. It's been pouring rain here, which makes getting to and from my car very inconvenient, but I've really been liking it. I feel like if it can't snow here, the rain at least makes me feel like it's cozy winter Christmas vibes. But anyway, just wanted to kick off this vlog. I think tonight I'm gonna be baking some peanut butter Hershey's Kiss blossom cookies. I'll put the recipe in the description. I've made them once before and they came out so good. And then tomorrow I'm kind of packing and prepping to go to North Carolina. I'm gonna be in Wilmington with my sister for a week, which I'm really excited about. I need to do some laundry, pack, and then I also think I might record an episode of the podcast. So that should be fun. That's what's going on. And now I can show you downtown Larkspur and this cute little card botanical store that I love. How cute, right? Isn't this so cute? Just like little mountain town. It's a tragedy. They're closed. No. Well, that was a big fail, given the store was closed. Turns out, I guess they've moved locations, so I'll have to check out their new place. But it's after work, as you can probably tell. It's dark out, 5:15, and I'm at the mall. I am going to go to Lululemon to get some gifts for my sister Tess and my friends Julia and Lucy. They're probably not watching this, but if they are, they've probably already been given their gifts, but if they haven't, Lucy and Julia skip ahead. I think for my sister, I wanna like fill a stocking for her of like fun goodies. I already got her this Touchland like spray hand sanitizer, and then I also got a little box of mints from Trader Joe's, that just like stuff she can keep in her car, you know. But she has been really into workout classes, which if you know my sister or have ever met her, I feel like no one would ever expect that of Tess. Everything about her personality, I just feel like you would think she wouldn't do that, but she is a spin class girl. She's going 3 days a week. She used to be a part of an all women's gym where she would like lift weights. It was super badass. So I think for Tess, I'm gonna get her like a fun neon scrunchie and maybe a headband or like a hat. Lately, I think she's been getting more into going on runs. So I wanna get her some like outdoor gear, maybe just accessories because it's Lululemon. But then for my friends Julia and Lucy, the three of us have been getting into the habit of going for runs every Tuesday morning. There's like a track not too far from where we all live. So we meet up and then go for a run. They do a track workout. I do not, because I have to rush off to work. But I thought it would be really cute to get all of us matching headbands. I have a white one from Lulu already that I really like, so I'm gonna get us a fun color or something like that. So that's where we're going now. And it was a really good day at work. I got a Christmas card just now from all the doctors and cardiologists, and it just looks like this. And I'm like, cards are so cute. I love giving them. I love receiving them. It just kind of made me a little more sentimental getting that at the end of my last full day in cardiac rehab. My official last day of work is this Friday, December 22nd, but it's a half day. So anyway, I'm just feeling emotional. Gotta get to Lululemon. Back in the car, it was a success. Came away with all the gifts I'd wanted to get. And now I'm in the parking lot for Target, and I have to say, it's hell. This is one of those instances where everyone just wants to die and kill each other at the same time. But I hope I don't hit this person's car. Jesus Christ, it's tight in here. Wow, I can't believe I did it. I'm doing it. Oh God, don't hit the wall. This is the worst. Literally all I need from here is Hershey's Kisses to make my cookies. Back home, looking frizzy as ever. And I'm about to bake the cookies and make dinner in my favorite way to exist at home. And that is with Charlie Brown Christmas music going off my laptop, specifically Winter Wonderland version. It makes me so happy. I have my 2 baking trays, because on my wooden chopping block, I would highly recommend this kitchen item because it has so many good functions. Like, we keep our reusable bags down there, fruit, sweet potatoes, put the bowls that I'm gonna put our dinner in up there. And then on top, I have all of the things I'm gonna use to bake my cookies. Beautiful. You want to give him one?
No, you give it to him.
Henry, sit. It's Thursday, December 21st. It's my last day doing CPETs, and then tomorrow is a half day, and it's my last day of work at this job completely, which is crazy. I'm honestly feeling really happy and good about things. And I think knowing that I'm going to North Carolina tomorrow, it just feels like Christmas break, you know? I'm just feeling really happy that this job is ending and I get to go spend time with my sister. And then I have the whole first week of January off before I start my new job. So yeah, feeling really good about things. I think right now I'm actually going to film a little video on how to run a CPET, a stress test protocol that I've been learning to run for the past 9 months. So I think I'm going to make that its own separate video. It'll kind of be more scientific and educational, but I figure while I'm working this job and I'm able to access that equipment, I could film a video and show people how they're done for those that ever have to get one. But anyway, my only plans for tonight are to do laundry and pack for North Carolina. Last night was really fun. I'm glad I made all those cookies. I brought a couple for some of my favorite coworkers today, just to say like happy holidays, but also like a thank you. And my friend Julia came over, and it was so fun because I got to give her the thing I got from Lululemon, which is I got us these matching, I don't know if you can see, matching scrunchies. I got purple, Julia took white, and so I'm gonna give the red one to my friend Lucy. And I also got my sister a baseball cap for Christmas. So that should be good. Just to check in, this is what's going on.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
I want to record different segments. I'm out for a walk right now, and look how beautiful the mountains look. I guess they're kind of more like foothills, but wow, so pretty. It's later. I realize my vlogs probably make it seem like I don't work. Like, does she ever work? It's just because I tend to take videos when I'm like on a lunch break or have time between patients. So anyway, I did my CPET. I changed into my workout outfit, and I'll have inserted some clips if I got any good ones. I'm hoping to make that video. We'll see if I can edit it to make any sense. You know, I don't know if it's actually of interest to people how a CPET works, but yeah, I am feeling so happy to be one more day away from being done with this job, even though I've really loved working with the people that I've worked with and I've learned so much. Just kind of makes me emotional to think about how I started 2023 unemployed and like really discouraged and deterred, like just didn't know where I was going professionally in my future, and to think I'm leaving 2023 in San Francisco, like a whole nother city, having gotten 9 months of clinical experience under my belt. And in the new year, I'll be off to a new job doing similar work, but I'll be compensated a bit more, and yeah, the commute won't be as bad. I'll be closer to where Sam and I live in SF. So anyway, yeah, I'm just feeling honestly really proud of myself. Sometimes I joke with my sister about how sometimes I like talk to my mom in the sky. Like I'll just be like, you should be here, Mom, you should be seeing this. And I feel like that sounds crazy to other people, but I don't know. I feel like at moments where I feel like really happy and proud of myself and wishing that she was here with me, I feel like I can talk to her and share with her how excited I am for this next chapter. Even though she's not physically here with me, I feel like she can still see how I'm doing and has a front row seat of sorts. So anyway, I've just been feeling really grateful and emotional, but also really proud of myself. And that feels really nice and kind of honestly like a big change from this time last year. This is probably the last time that I'll be out walking on this cute little walking trail in Novato. Since moving to SF in March of this year, I've explored equally San Francisco as well as Larkspur and Novato, which are the 2 towns in the North Bay where I've worked. And I feel really happy for that because there's a lot of great nature up here, and I feel like I've really gotten out and explored like the walking trails. I've gone biking the few times I've brought my bike up to work, and I've done a handful of like nature walks or like hikes around Mount Tam. If any of you watching are familiar with the Bay Area, Mount Tam is like one of the taller mountains in the Bay Area, and it's super close to the clinic I work at in Larkspur. You can literally see it from the clinic I've worked at. Anyway, closing this chapter. Excited for the new one. Much later, it's dark out. I think it's almost 9 p.m. now. Where does the time go? I was just texting Sam about how today has definitely felt like more of my last day at work, and I was just given this really sweet card, and I wasn't expecting it, from all the people that I work with. Like everybody signed it, and my coworker Arturo, basically my mentor who's been teaching me how to be an exercise physiologist, gave me this mug that says, "I used to work with absolute legends," which is so funny of him. And now it is currently propping up my phone. But anyway, I've just been doing all of the things. Tidied the kitchen, I did a load of laundry. I really love to leave my apartment clean whenever I travel, so that when I come back, there's like new sheets on the bed, trash and recycling have been taken out, fridge has been cleaned out, just like all those things, so that when I get home, I don't feel like I have to immediately clean or do anything. It's just like a fresh slate. My phone is completely filled up. I keep getting notifications that the storage is full and I can't keep recording video. Anyway, I wanted to show just a couple fun things that I'm packing for North Carolina. They're literally so random, but the pile of them made me happy. So I'm bringing my cribbage board, a game my mom and my uncle used to always play that I love playing now as an adult is cribbage. And all it requires is a cribbage board and a deck of cards. And this is the set that my mom actually gave me, and it looks like this. It folds out and just has these slots for pegs. I feel like cribbage is a grandma game and I'm obsessed. So bringing this so that my sister Tess and I can play. Earlier in the vlog, as you know, I am on a complete Kodiak pancake kick. I blame my friend Lucy because she told me she was getting into them, and now I'm into them. So I got the, I don't know if you can see it in writing, but it's the chocolate chip mix. So I'm gonna make those for Tess and I on Christmas morning. I feel like that'll be really fun. And then the last thing I'm bringing to North Carolina is my Spirograph, which my friend Julia got me. Or she didn't get it for me. It was the white elephant gift from the last vlog that I played petty for and basically kept from everyone else that wanted to steal it. So fun, and it makes great cards. So I'm excited to bring this because my sister has like a really elaborate set of gel pens, so I can make some really colorful ones. And the actual last thing, I picked this up on the way home. I got this comforting coffee set from Blue Bottle. Just looks like this, and on the back there's like 3 different blends inside. There's a winter blend, winter espresso, and Hayes Valley espresso, and they all have notes of different things. But I thought I could open it up and show you. I'm gifting one to my sister. I'm gifting some to my friends that I'm gonna see Friday night, because tomorrow when I fly out to Oakland, I'm actually having a layover in Seattle, so I'll visit with some friends. And then I think the other blend I might keep for Sam and I, maybe. But it's so cute. It just looks like this. And then it opens up, and I had them grind the beans for us. But we've got the winter espresso, the winter blend, and then the Hayes Valley espresso. So I gotta figure out who I'm gifting which coffee bag, but it smells so good. And I feel like coffee is just such a good gift. So yeah, just thought I'd share that. And I don't know how much I've vlogged. Clearly my phone storage is completely full. I'd end off the vlog here. Tomorrow is my last day of work, and then I'm gonna fly from Oakland to Seattle. So really excited to kick off Christmas break. I can't believe I'm almost done with work. It's just crazy. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching. I've really been enjoying vlogging for the month of December. It's been really fun, and I forgot how much I